In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix can't active hotspot on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is understand that personal hotspot only works if your iPhone has an active cellular connection. Start by opening your iPhone settings and looking for personal hotspot option. If the personal hotspot does not appear at all or it is grayed out, this usually means your device does not currently have hotspot capability enabled. In most cases, this happens because there is no SIM card or eSIM installed in the phone. Make sure your iPhone has a working SIM card inserted and that your cellular service is active. Another key thing is to check whether your mobile carrier actually supports hotspot on your plan, as some carriers require hotspot access to be enabled separately. If everything looks fine, try restarting your iPhone by holding the power button and a volume button, sliding to power off and then turning the device back on. A simple restart often fixes the issue for many users. If the problem continues, check for any available iOS updates and install them, since software bugs can sometimes prevent hotspot from working properly. Lastly, double check that your SIM or eSIM is properly set up and recognized by the device. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.